around here. I've got way too many tabs open, I think. Okay, so one question that I had earlier today was, how do we create a promotion inside the promotions manager for a coupon? So let's run over and do that. So I'm going to go over to our promotions I'm going to open this up in a new tab, actually. Heard some like binging and stuff. See if there's anybody message me. Okay, it's a busy Thursday. Everyone's off doing stuff. Okay. Let's load this up. Okay, so we're going to go over to the promotions, my promotion snapshot here. I'm also going to go jump into promotions right here. Okay, loyalty rewards promotion snapshot. So inside here, let's load this up as well so I can show you what the promotions look like. Display promotions, pop that up. So the cool thing about the promotions manager is you can literally embed this code into any funnel, any page, anything that you want, and it's going to load up easy to edit promotions that your clients can edit themselves without having to jump into like a funnel and update pages and update graphics and update text and then create another page. If you wanted to do this normally, what you would have to do is you would come to this page inside of Whitelabel, you'd come to a page like this, change out your graphics, and then if you had different pages, you'd have to create different funnel pages for each one of the promotions that you have inside your funnel. Now, the cool thing about this is you can set this up for events. You can set this up for events or events, promotions, coupons, info products. You can embed a form in any of these ones. You can embed this directly into Whitelabel and make it super quick and easy for you to be able to send out a blast to your customers in email. Embed this into the rewards main portal, rewards dashboard, so that when somebody loads up the page, they can see new things that are going on. Really cool thing is, like, if you have any webinars, if you have music events, if you have concerts, if you have training, anything like that, you can drop that in here as well. And people can add those dates right to their calendar, right through here. They can register to this. So you can click on this to add it to your calendar, but then you can also click on this link here. For example, this can be an external link that's going to take you anywhere. And that external link can then be a registration form. It can be a booking form. It can be whatever you want. And we can also make it so you can add a couple other cool things in there as well. So, I mean, there's a ton of opportunities using this. One of the other cool things about this is that you can also create a local business directory using this as well, with promotions from local businesses that you're working with or in your area, right? You can get them to give you promotions that you can put up and then send out a blast to your local customers saying, here are some great promotions from local businesses. So you could start a whole coupon directory, flyer directory, whatever you want to call it, for local businesses, and be able to get people on here, get names, emails, phone numbers, all that kind of stuff, and then market to them. Whether you're doing, you're charging monthly for people to be able to put promotions up here, or whether you're taking some kind of affiliate commission off that, you can do it as well. It's be a great way to drop in your affiliate links and send people to a page like this when you want to sell them some stuff from your affiliate marketing. So I think that's cool. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to create a coupon right now. So we're in our back end here, and I'm going to click on Manage Promotions. When I click on Manage Promotions, it's going to open up our Promotions Manager. And the easiest way to do this is I'm going to click Add New. And then I'm going to pick an image for our promotion. I was downloading a bunch of example Power Hour things because I think they're awesome, and I can't wait to roll out Power Hour to you guys. So I'm going to open up that one. It's 800 by 600. It's a GIF. I have to actually make sure that GIFs are going to work properly in there. And then we're going to go coupon, show coupon. Now, there's two different options that we have for coupon codes here. It's either show coupon code or customer enters the coupon code. So if we're doing customer enters the coupon code, they will ask the staff for a coupon code, or we can send them a unique coupon code that they'll add in here. If we have show coupon code, this is going to display the coupon code on their screen, and then they will show that to the staff, showing them that they have the latest coupon code for whatever they want to redeem. So let's say we were doing something for a restaurant and we were doing 2-for-1 appetizers, right? We could do a show coupon code 2-for-1 Appy's October or something like that. Okay, so that could be our coupon code. Can this coupon code be used multiple visits? If we say yes, it's going to show it. It's going to allow them to redeem it once every 24 hours. If we say no, then it's only going to be a one-time thing. So 2-for-1 Appy's at your favorite restaurant. Oh, just restaurants. Come and get your Appy's on. Okay, so get 2-for-1 Appy's every day with this. Not every day. Get 2-for-1 Appy's when you show this code to our staff. Make sure to show the coupon code before you order. Okay, we're going to do that. And then we can set the live dates. So whichever dates that we want it to be live from. So today is the 12th. Let's go all the way. This is going to be available to the 31st. If you want it to be always showing inside of your promotions manager, just click on promotion is always visible. You still have to set an end date, but just say promotion is always visible, and it's going to ignore this end date. Okay, and then you can decide if you want to create a trigger link for this promotion. The benefits of creating a trigger link for the promotion is that you can use that trigger link in your email or text message marketing to send people directly to that single promotion rather than sending them to your promotions page, which is this page here. So let's just show this here. Let's refresh. Did it not save the promotion? Oh, maybe it didn't like the GIF, like I said. All right, let me either going to have to make it so we can do GIFs or just change it here. So let's go power hour. Let's do this one again. Sorry about that. 2-for-1 Appy's October. No. 2-for-1 Appy's for your face. Come and get your favorite Appy's using this coupon code. Show this to our staff before you order. All right. Okay, and then we're going to set the live dates again. I wasn't sure if GIFs were going to work, so I'm going to have to go through and just make sure. I think I probably just have to change something to make GIFs work, and then we'll make it do that properly. Okay, so we're going to save that. All right, so we've got the power hour one here. We can set this as featured. So if you have a promotion that you want to set as featured, you can click on set featured, and it will make it the first image that shows up right here. So I use this power hour image. I know it's not going to show up properly. I mean, it'll show up properly, but it's small. It's really pixelated. So if you ever want to change the promotion, the graphic, you can totally do that. Let's see if we can find one that's a bigger size that is going to just fit better inside there. I like using the Facebook share image size because it's wide and it doesn't take up the entire screen when you're doing it. So if you ever want to create the trigger link, you can click trigger link here. Now you can copy and paste this into any of your marketing material. You can also set this as featured, and that's going to set that as featured up at the top here. So let's click on this. refresh, and we're going to see the new power hour coupon is in there. So what you want to do, depending on whichever size you decide to go with, I would try to just make sure all your images are the exact same size. So if we click on learn more here, now we're going to have the power hour. We can redeem this coupon. So come and get your favorite appies using this coupon code. Show this stat to our staff before you order. So redeem this coupon before redeeming this coupon. Make sure you're at the business location and ready to purchase. Show our staff your code. This coupon be redeemed at a single time per visit. So if they click that, it's going to show them this coupon code that they can give to the staff. Okay. And then the staff can be like, hey, let's totally, you can totally get this coupon. So that is one way. The other option is we have, I said let's actually go and create one anyways. So this is show the coupon code to our staff. That is one option. Now if you go to do this, it's going to tell you they have 15 minutes to redeem that coupon code. If they don't redeem that coupon code, it's going to go away. Okay. So they won't be able to see it. I don't think, maybe at the end of this broadcast here, we'll come back and I'll show you how to do that. So in 15 minutes, we should still be around. So I'm going to click add new, and I'm going to create a new one. Let's go in here. Let's go find some kind of funky graphic that we can use. Let's just pull up something like that. Why not? Okay, so this one is going to be another coupon. This is going to be customer enters code. So this one will be, we'll do OCT123. Okay, so this coupon can be used multiple visits. Test coupon, subtitle. Okay, this is the test. This is the 24-hour, the multi-use coupon. Customers can redeem every 24 hours. Okay, and then we'll make this one live, and then we'll set an end date for that one, and then we'll just hit save. Okay, so now we have this new coupon here. Let's see what happens here, because this one should stay as our promotional one, our featured coupon, because we have that set up. And the new one that we created is down here because we didn't set it as the featured. If you don't have any featured coupons, the latest coupon that you created or the latest promotion that you created is going to be on top. Okay, so we're in here. Let's click on this one. And let's click on redeem coupon here. Now this one's going to ask us for the coupon code. I don't remember what I typed in. So redeem this coupon. So this one you would ask the staff, or we can trigger it. I'm setting this up right now so that we can trigger it to enter a unique coupons code. So they go to redeem this coupon. We'll have a button that says send us the coupon. It'll send a text message to them with the coupon code. They enter it here, and then they can get it. So I think this is OCT123. Let's verify that. Okay, valid, redeemed. Do not close this window until you show our staff. Okay, so it's going to show them that they've redeemed this coupon. Now if we come back to this, yeah, they're able to redeem that coupon. So with the other coupon, it will tell them which date they redeem the coupon on. And I think we actually do that later on the next day. So it will show them that they redeem the coupon on a different day. So if we come back to this one, yeah, if it's going to just verify the coupon, you have to put it back in again. So that's how they can redeem that coupon. And then if we come back over to this one, just want to show you that it is still counting down. So they have 11 minutes to redeem this coupon. So after that's done, it will tell them that the coupon has already been redeemed and they can't do it again. So that is essentially how the promotions work in the promotions manager. If you wanted to make one that is an event, let me just do that. Let's upload another image here for an event. I'm not going to go for power hour. Let's grab this one here. Smart power tools. So this one here, we can create an event. We can set the dates that we want the calendar to show up. So let's say Friday, We're going to do Friday at 8:24 p.m. and it goes to 11:59 p.m. there. And then we're going to add another one and see why that didn't work properly. All right, we'll test that out. So we're going to say Halloween party. Join us for Halloween. This is the JHL Halloween. We should have a Halloween party. We should have an online Halloween party for all GHLers, and we could join up, and we're going to just display that from today to an end date on the 31st again, and then hit save here. So now, once we save that, we can come back over here to our promotions. We still have this Power Hours, the featured one. Now we have this new one that shows up here, and it is going to allow us to bookmark this in Google Calendar, Microsoft, Apple, whichever. So it gives you an option to do that. So let's go back and let's do one thing. Let's say we were creating this event and we wanted to sell tickets. So we can add web link right here. This is going to be the link that we want to send people to. So HBS GHLpowertools.com. And then we're also going to have, we got Steve here online there too. And then so buy your tickets here. All right. Steve joined us today. Hey, Steve, how's it going? Oh, he's just joining right now. Yeah, okay, so let's throw that up there, and then let's go promotions. Now, if we come here, we can click on buy our tickets, and it's going to send you over to High Level Power Tools. So lots of opportunities, lots of options. You can send this directly to a purchase page. Let me show you one more thing while we're in here, because I'm just kind of geeking out about it. So what we can also do is, let's say we're over here in Fresh Leads and we have a form. Any forms on this page? We don't have any forms on this page. Let's go let's go Smart Light testing account. Let's go onboarding form. What's that actually look like? All right, sure. So we can click on integrate. We can copy the embed code for that form. Now we can go over here and let's grab a new graphic, because we like to just keep grabbing new graphics, and we'll put that burrito, but we know it's a GIF, so it's not going to work properly on there. Let's just do this workflow that I did for a thing that we were working on. So we're going to go info only, title, embed form example, embed form, and paste this in here. So we've got that in there right now. And then we're going to set a live date. This should work. It was working earlier. So let's go there and then hit the wall of code button. And then hit save. Okay, so we've got this one. Let's go back here. Now we've got it here. I'm going to load this up, and inside here is the form that we just created inside of High Level. So we are embedding this in the form. So you can have them actually go through, and if you want them to register or sign up for something, you can put a form in here for them actually to submit and get whatever actions or anything that you want inside of High Level. So I think that's cool. I mean, there's lots of opportunity and lots of different examples of things that we can do with this promotions manager. I think really the sky is the limit with all the opportunities you can create using this promotions manager, from having like an internal directory of sites that people can go to, a local directory of businesses people can get coupons and different things from, having it for promotions for restaurants, bakeries, businesses, retail, anything like that can be sending out promotions and displaying promotions. It's literally like a digital flyer that can easily be used from any of your customers. So Yeah, that's kind of an overview of the promotions manager. If you have any questions about it, obviously hit me up, shoot me a message, and I'm happy to help you get this implemented in your system too. Whether you're implementing it with rewards or just on its own, you can do it standalone as well.